Welcome back to our channel, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting video for you. We'll be diving deep into the world of crypto trading strategies to help you achieve success in this rapidly evolving market. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the strategies, it's important to have a solid foundation. Understanding the fundamentals of blockchain technology and the market trends is crucial. Stay updated with the latest news, follow influencers, and join online communities to enhance your knowledge. Now that you have the basics covered, let's explore 3 proven crypto trading strategies that can significantly boost your chances of success. Our first strategy is swing trading. This approach involves taking advantage of short-term price fluctuations within a larger trend. By identifying support and resistance levels, you can enter and exit positions at optimal times. Remember to use technical analysis tools like moving averages and MACD indicators to confirm your decisions. The second strategy is dollar cost averaging, commonly known as DCA. This method involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money into a particular cryptocurrency, regardless of its price. By doing so, you can average out your purchase costs over time, reducing the impact of market volatility. Last but not least, effective risk management is crucial for long-term success in crypto trading. Always define your risk tolerance and set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. This ensures that even if a trade goes against you, you'll be protected from significant downturns. Now that we've covered these 3 strategies, here's a bonus tip to help you on your crypto trading journey. The key to success in the crypto market is discipline and a thirst for knowledge. Stick to your trading plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Additionally, keep learning and adapting to new market trends, trading techniques, and emerging cryptocurrencies. Remember, knowledge is power in this fast-paced industry. And there you have it, fellow traders. By implementing these proven strategies and staying disciplined, you'll be on your way to achieving success in the exciting world of crypto trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy trading.